Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Settings because that's where Voice Assistant controls live. First, sign into your PSN account and press the PS button to open the Control Center. Then navigate to Settings and choose Accessibility. Once in Accessibility, locate the voice operation or screen reader entry. This is the system feature that speaks to you. Make sure your Ps5 has the latest software so option names match. Updating prevents unexpected menu differences and ensures the disable option behaves correctly. Now you'll turn the feature off. Find voice operation or screen reader and select it. You'll see an on/off toggle. Choose off and confirm any prompts so the system stops announcing menus and selections. While here, check spoken content, text-to-speech, and any audio narration options and switch them off too, because multiple accessibility features can overlap. Once done, return to the home screen and test by navigating menus to verify silence. If anything still speaks, you likely missed a secondary option. Finish by restarting the console so settings fully apply. This often resolves lingering announcements. If voice output continues after reboot, make sure you change settings for the active user profile. Accessibility is per profile, so sign into other profiles and repeat. Should the voice still persist, return to accessibility and use reset to defaults, but only as a last resort because it restores all accessibility settings. If problems remain, update the system again or contact PlayStation support with your system software.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.